We are AMS Air Conditioning and Heating, and we proudly serve the DC metropolitan area. We provide HVAC services to both residential and commercial facilities. We install, service, maintain, and repair HVAC equipment, such as furnaces, air conditioners, thermostats, and humidifiers. For certain qualified systems, we offer PEPCO and manufacturer rebates. We love all of our customers, and we want to make sure they're getting the services they're looking for. Our certified staff is always on time, incredibly talented, and always courteous to all of our clients. If you're looking for any air conditioning or heating services, please give us a call. We'll be happy to hear from you.